Hello. Today we're going to talk about an important topic called camera health check, or CHC for short. Now what CHC is an alert to tell you the status of your cameras. And you'll immediately get notified in a number of ways, just through the user interface itself, or through an email notification or push notification. The very first thing and most important thing to know about a camera health check is make sure you have those turned on. It is the default, however, you may have turned it off at some point. Go to your notification settings and simply go to the camera health check and make sure you turn that on. Now, you'll notice that the camera health check here is telling us the reason for the actual alert. If I jump into our knowledge base, I can quickly see what are the different types of alerts that can exist. They can be from specific port forwarding failures to username password failure to, in this case, a camera connection. Now, what that means is, in this case, it's either the network went down or there's some sort of condition that you need to investigate. In my case, I've simply unplugged my camera here to generate this alert. It tells me that there's this issue. I may have gotten a notification, and now I can action that accordingly. So I've just plugged back in my camera. Let's see if it's come back yet. No, it hasn't. So we'll just continue to monitor this and we'll come back to it. The first thing that you may need to dig down in a little bit further is go into your settings. And in the settings, you have something that's called your camera health check history. This CHC history is crucial to know, is there an ongoing problem that's happening? And you can see my camera here has gone down a couple times, but each time it's come back. So not only do you get the issue or the failure reason for this CHC alert, but it'll also tell you when it does reconnect back again and is successful with its connection. And use this to help you understand, are there any issues that are ongoing that I need to address? If a camera keeps coming offline and back online again, it may indicate that there's something else going on. So again, can we fix our camera? Well, in fact, it's already cleared out for me. I can just go back to the edit menu here of this camera. I can test connection. And I can see, yes, it is now all completely operational and ready to go. Thanks very much.